3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to Rogue. I wanted to share my other hobby, very special to mine. I've always wanted to be a nail technician, and yes, I did go to beauty school, and yes, I am a beauty school dropout, but that shouldn't matter because they lied to me. Oh, there was just cracking up. But anyway, this is something I've always done. I think I've done for my mom, friends, whenever they want to have nail time. And my nails aren't done, but they will be soon. And I will do more videos of these, mainly because I have so many things, so many products, so many of my opinions that I think are like either really good or not the greatest, or maybe something they should work on. But I found something on Instagram that I thought was interesting, which I've seen some videos, not on this one per se. This one's actually Tammy Nails Professional Remove Jelly. So in layman's terms, this will remove any gel, acrylic with ease, according to this in the bottle. It does come with ingredients. I've seen other knockoffs that are like a nail polish kinda, and you see them crackle. That was a thing a while back, and honestly, everyone always said avoid those things. Granted, I haven't tried this. We're gonna try. Here I have with me, which is regular nail polish. Forget what you see here, but this is regular nail polish remover, no acetone whatsoever. You get that at 99. This one, it's not from Wildflowers. What's inside is just regular acetone. So this one's harsher than regular acetone. And then the last one is a non-name bottle brand, but this one is pure acetone. Now with this one, this is supposedly what takes off most of your gel polishes, that you have to wait there and sit and it will be removed, right? So this is supposed to substitute this in 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see what works best. I've tried this. It's a pain in the butt. I even have like a warmer now, but I want to see how this one works. So without further ado, wow, this actually dried pretty quick. Oh, and these I actually got at 99, so 99. You get everything great at the 99. So with regular polish, right, this should come off with ease, at least, right? So that way you guys can see that I'm not a lion when I say these are not nail polishes, right? So can remove that one. Definitely cannot remove that one. Cannot remove that one. Okay. These are very gelish-like polishes. So we'll start with this one. This one's actually a mixture. I made this one for my mom. This is for sure a gel-based polish. This one, however, this is a UV. I'm actually happy that the lamp that I bought actually cured this one. So this is what we're looking at: a pretty much a mixture, a regular LED, and a UV polish. And this is how we're going to figure that out. So since we could not get these out, just so you're aware, I also did these as a product of seeing that these are regular polishes, okay? You see them fading out because they are. This one, oh, there goes her nail. It's okay. She's meant to have popped out nails. It's okay, Tina.
Ow.
I know, right? So this is what we have. It does say on the bottle, if you will closely read here, you will gently file the top layer. That's the first part. Second, you apply a small amount to the nail. Third, you will wait 5 to 10 minutes for the remover to dry. And it should be very easy to peel using the included scraper, which I'm pretty pissed because it did not come with a scraper. But like I said, I do have my own scrapers. We have one that's like this. Okay. At your own discretion what you use. This would never be something I would use. It's too damn pointy. you can kill your finger. Okay, very has to be said. This one is too flat, and I have curvish nails, so this doesn't work for me. It works for her because they're pretty flat. Then you have something like this that looks like a pore remover. I've been told it looks like. I've never known that that's a thing, but this can also scrape off polish, at least the LED and UV polishes. Then, last but not least, the most infamous of them, of the scrapers, are one that's like pretty curved, looks like your nail, and then it has the thing to like clean your nail underneath, right? So you could, I definitely use these. I'm used to this one. So this is my favorite for me. Tina will get the harsh looking flat plate, okay? She's used to the harshness. She'll survive. And then you're gonna get a file. I got this at the 99. This one is a much coarser grit, so this is the one you're gonna use to file. This one's much finer, so I wanna say maybe you could use this on your natural nail, but not too harshly. Definitely don't use something like this on your regular nail. I don't do it. I don't suggest you do it. Unless you're used to that, that's fine. There's some, my boyfriend and my brother, no, not my brother, my boyfriend and someone else have like really strong, thick nails. Like, those things can cut. And I'm not just talking like skin, they cut, okay? So maybe they can use some of the thing like this. I don't suggest it for me, or for weak nails. So here we go. And we're off. And sorry for jiggling, people. I will keep my arms at bay. I would like you to see, right, that we are fine to make it matte looking. Tina can handle it. Good girl. All right, that looks pretty mattified. Tina, bad girl.
Just getting back at you for that
I
remark.
know. I'm sorry, Tina. That's okay. And we have here the non-shiny nails, right? Okay, I'm kind of nervous now because it came in. I bought two and then the third one came, and now time for us not to make a boo-boo here. We did take off the top part. Yeah. All right. And it says to drop just enough on the nail. Ah, okay. It does come up pretty quick, guys. So we shall swerve it around there. It looks like it caught up. Okay. Wow, it looks shiny again. All right. And now here we go with this one. And I'm not really putting that much. I'm just dragging it. You know what this feels like? Like our resin? Like it feels pretty thin. The thin one. There's a thicker one, but this one feels pretty thin. So I'd say watch out. Don't use too much. I'm pretty sure a little bit goes a long way. But we shall see. You'll stay here with us. Timer 5 minutes. And we'll go from there.
Three, two, one.
What? No. All right. Nothing to... Hey, Google, stop. Hey, Google, stop. All right. It seems that nothing has happened yet, and I don't... It feels kind of tacky. Maybe we need more, or maybe need to wait. Oh, shit. I mean, sorry, but this one's kind of wiggly-ish. Okay, let's give it another another 5 minutes. That'll be 10 minutes total. Feels gooey. See? Okay, let's start with this one. This one feels like it'd be an interesting... Yikes. I think this is the same goo we just put on. Okay, and my seeing of this doesn't look at all helpful. It says you're supposed to take it off easily. It's not the case. Okay. We'll try putting more on that one and see how much more we need to get. If we can do it sparingly. Yikers. Gotta hold her nail. Woof. Woofity woof. Oh, ouch. Okay, no. It's too much force. Imagine doing this on your own nails. Poor Tina. I'm sorry. Okay. This is not working out. I don't feel like this did anything. Other than applying a small amount to the nail, it clearly says small amount. I am not daydreaming this. Debs.
So it's small amount.
That's
Let
exactly
dry and 5 to 10 minutes. But
oh shit! I was about to.
wow, again?
Again. It was about to happen. Ah! Okay. Let's do it again. Let us. I mean, unless I had to file so much so that there's nothing left, then essentially you're just filing off the entire thing. And this is bogus. We're gonna do just 5 minutes. I'm not even gonna give him more, but I feel like this is not gonna be at all very helpful.
15 minutes until. Okay, don't know what happened. Apparently it stopped recording.
Great.
Oh, did you do that? Does it have a time limit now? Jesus. I didn't catch that.
Okay, so we haven't been recording, but as you can see, I filed down her nails one more time, if in case it didn't catch up on the last video. We're not gonna wait a whole another 10 minutes. We are going to try one last time. Wow, that barely got anything. It looks red, but okay, something's coming off. But I think that's mostly just me scraping it. Let's try another one. That's as much as it came out for this one. I don't even want to bother doing more, but let's try this one. This one I was poking at it during the freaking, sorry Tammy, I mean Tina.
My cuticle.
Real. Okay. Bust, that did not work at all. At all. Okay. You see something. I mean, that wasn't at all gentle. And oh my god, like, I guess it's peeling there, but should it peel off like that? We had to file so far down to see the nail. It really is not. That's not even the point of what this is supposed to be. Or unless we really did it so wrong that it's only supposed to be like the thinnest, tiniest thing. But really, could it be? It could be user error because things can be that way. It could be just user error, but for the meantime, this is not something I would ever suggest you guys use for your nails. Try it on something else. I will try to figure out maybe if we use too much. Maybe the climate, we have the AC going on. Maybe that is a factor. Maybe AC is not supposed to be up in this thing, you know? I don't know what else to say other than we could try it again some other time, but for now, it only worked on the mixture, not on LED, and moderately on the UV gel polish. So we'll be left with that. I'll hopefully see you in the next nail video haul that we might have together, and that'd be it.